Daily Adventures. Today we are going to be doing a diorama. Diagramma. It's a diorama. Yeah, diorama. Now, you mustache. What is a diorama, you may say? This is a diorama of the ocean of an octopus. Oh, they stuck together. Okay. Of an octopus. Hi. A dolphin. Hello. And a shark. So dioramas are kind of like boxes that have like stuff inside that you can move around and make like a scene. So yeah. I mustache. How did you not know that? Today we're going to be doing a Mario diorama. It's like a lava castle thingy. It has this Paragoomba, which is a flying Goomba. Fire Mario from the Fire Flower. The blocks to hit the power up. A shell thingy. And a fire rod. Let's open this up. I think I should get the background somehow. Is it possible do I need to get the background? Should I? Okay, how do I do this?
Let me help you.
Okay. Here we have a Mario. He's a Mario. But he's fire. And that happens from over here. The fire flower. The fire flower is a flower that has fire. When he touches it, it's a like fire absorb thingy, Mario logic. But he can lose the power up if he sees an enemy, like Shelly, or whatever the names are. I don't think that's how it works in games, but you know. Or it could be from the sky. From a Paragoomba. Look, his wings even flap, 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 flap. Paragoombas are Goombas, which I don't have right here, with wings. Flap, flap, flap. So yeah, he can lose it from or the final one here. This is a fire thingy. It's a fire rod and it goes around and around, around and around and around. So let's put these into a scene. Let's say the fire rod is here. And Mario. Oh, maybe I should do it there. I'll set this up and then I'll show you guys. Magic of editing, yeah. So we don't really have all the pieces for a diorama. So we're gonna make an out of the box diorama scene thingy. Without the scene, that sounds really cool, but it's not. So Mario, here, our main character, grabs the fire flower. Let's go! And then he goes through the level with a fireball, with a fire. See, the Goomba flies down because that'll make my life easier. And there's a fireball spinning around, and he jumps to dodge the fireball. But then, oh no, a Spiny, dead. Now, Mario comes back into the level, grabs the firefly. Let's go. And goes into the level, dodges the Spiny, but dead. He goes back into the level, grabs the firefly, let's go. Dodges this, the Spiny, the fireball, and then I made it! I did it! I finally beat the third level! Dead. So he goes back into the level, and then he finds there's a star power up. Yay, he wins. Yay, everyone's happy. Mario saves the kingdom, blah, blah, blah. All that Mario stuff, all that Mario stuff. Peach save Mario is the hero and Bowser's dead. Here we have our protagonist Mario getting suffocated by a cat hand. So he goes over here to the fire stick and then he gets... Ah. No, maybe I should do it without the gloves. Without the gloves or with the gloves? Another one? He's gone! Finally! Yes! Now I can rest it. I respawned! You darn spiny. Ow! I'm gonna play Mario Kart now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more daily adventure content. See you in Mario Kart!